Root protection areas are a critical factor in securing planning approval for developments near trees. Miscalculating these zones can lead to costly mistakes, delays, or even rejected applications. A root protection area, or RPA, is the minimum area around a tree that must be preserved to ensure its long-term health and stability. These areas are defined using BS 583 guidelines, a key standard for tree surveys in planning applications. If you're an architect or a planning consultant, understanding RPAs is essential for designing around existing trees without causing harm. So, how a root protection area is calculated? The standard formula involves measuring the tree's diameter at 1.5 metres above ground level and multiplying it by 12. This determines the radius of the RPA, which is then plotted as a circle around the tree. However, the shape of an RPA may be adjusted based on site-specific constraints, such as existing structures, soil conditions, or past ground disturbances. Failure to respect RPAs can have serious consequences. If tree roots are damaged during construction, the tree may suffer from instability, decay, or even die. This not only creates potential hazards, but could also lead to enforcement action from local planning authorities. So, what can you do to avoid these pitfalls? First, ensure a BS 5837 tree survey is conducted early in the planning process. This will map out RPAs and identify any constraints posed by trees on site. Second, use tree constraints plans to integrate RPAs into your site layout, positioning buildings, driveways, and utilities in a way that preserves root health. And third, when RPAs must be built near, adopt protective measures like root bridging, no-dig foundations, or ground protection systems. Understanding and respecting root protection areas will not only keep your project compliant with planning regulations, but also prevent costly redesigns and delays. By incorporating RPAs into your development strategy from the outset, you can streamline the approval process and maintain the integrity of existing trees.